OLB, a diversified fintech e-commerce merchant services provider and Bitcoin cryptocurrency mining enterprise, announced today that its merchant services annual transaction volume run rate has reached $1.35 billion in transaction volume as a result of 28.5 million transactions. OLB's merchant services business is tracking at an anticipated annual revenue run rate exceeding $36 million for 2022. After the company acquisition of a portfolio of CBD merchant accounts in the last quarter, OLB has started the current year with the highest revenue run rate in the history of the company. The company's merchant services business is expected to generate an annual revenue run rate of $36 million in 2022. This business is complementary to the company's e-commerce business and provides merchant services to a diverse range of clients. In 2021, they began the year with an annualized revenue run rate of approximately $10 million. Starting this year at a $36 million annualized revenue run rate is likely to maximize their economies of scale and contribute to their bottom line. OLB believes that its merchants in the CBD marketplace will likely see an increase in transaction volume as the overall market size grows.